guys. So today is just a regular day at our house. It's noon and I'm still not ready. We're about to get Hudson ready for school and Desmond is still in his pajamas. The house is a mess. It's just kind of one of those days. But I am super excited because something just arrived unexpectedly at our door. So story time to tell you why I'm so excited about this mirror getting here. If you saw our Harry Potter Halloween decor video, you will see that I made this mirror behind me. By made, I basically painted it and used lipstick to write the whole Chamber of Secrets verbiage on there. And when Shaye saw it, he was like, good job, babe, but let's think bigger. What's something more epic? And this is kind of characteristic of our relationship because I really like doing DIY stuff. But sometimes there is something way more cool out there that's not DIY. And so we ordered this mirror of Erised from Pottery Barn Teen. Sad story though, because it didn't come. It just said that it was going to come a certain day, it didn't come. Then I looked and randomly, without being notified, it said it was back ordered and it wasn't going to come until January. I don't know what was going on with that because here it is. So we missed it for our Halloween decor, but spoiler alert, we're actually going to do Harry Potter Christmas decorations too, which we're so excited about. Oh my gosh. So this is going to be so fun for that. And I don't know if this is crazy, but it's a really pretty mirror. I could see us maybe just keeping it up there all year round, so we'll see. Okay, I am psyched out of my mind to open this, but I'm kind of afraid to do it alone because there's a 5-foot like heavy gold mirror in there, but we'll show you that in just a little bit. All right, buddy, we've got you pulled up at your school. You got your mask. Do you like the Nightmare Before Christmas mask I made you?
Mama, did you get me a scar too?
You're not in school yet, Bubby. Have a good day at school. I love you, bud. Yeah, I'll give you a thumbs up while you're by the right door. Yeah, kindergarten's been in session for 3 months, and he still is not sure which is his right classroom door. So I've got to give him a thumbs up. And then he stands by the door for 30 seconds. Yeah! You gotta love kids, man. It's just me and you now, Desi.
Everybody's gone.
Yeah, everybody's gone. But you get to start preschool next year, baby. Hey, you guys, I am so surprised to see this here because this wasn't supposed to arrive until January. Oh, can't wait to open it. I'll have to show you. And I think I know what this is too. All right, wanted to take a quick break to tell you guys about Trend Micro and thank them for sponsoring this video. We have been using their home network security for the past month or so, and I wanted to tell you about our experience with this product. Basically, this little device provides cybersecurity for all of your devices in your home. If you're online as much as we are, it's very important to have cybersecurity. So it blocks malicious sites and files and also serves as firewall protection. But the thing that I like about Trend Micro is that they also have really sophisticated parental control. So you can control when your kids have access to which devices and what they are able to access on those devices. If your kids have little gizmo watches or something, it will also let you know when they come home or where they arrive at certain destinations, which I think is brilliant. You guys can get $20 off Trend Micro's home network security by using our discount code here, and you can learn more at the link in our description below.
Who would have thought it would come this early? She's so excited that I specifically set up this lens flare right here to make it look more magical. But this is the moment, the unboxing of the Harry Potter mirror, or whatever they call it.
The mirror of Erised.
So this mirror is, we're gonna hope is gonna fit up on this mantle up here and be replacing our old one that Amanda painted specifically for our Harry Potter party. But the sad thing is this isn't really a year-round mirror, so this is gonna have to be our annual Harry Potter
We'll have to see.
mirror. Okay, we'll see. Okay, Amanda's got her knife in hand. Here, I'll hold it up for you.
Okay, we should probably just lay it down.
This is probably the worst unboxing video we've ever done. This box does not want to open.
Alright.
We're getting closer.
I got iPhone.
Yeah, we got a surprise for you.
Oh, honey.
Wow. Oh, don't do that. You're gonna make a huge mess. Oh no.
Yeah,
Oh, Halloween stuff.
It's Halloween stuff. Desmond has his new little Dobby house. Show him, Desi. Yep, and he goes in there. Now shut the door, Dobby. Bye, Dobby.
Hi,
For the final reveal, Amanda is going to remove the packaging so we can see what it looks like. Look at that.
It's not broken.
It makes me nervous watching you holding that and taking it off. Here, let me just remove one of these. There we go. So Amanda actually hasn't, you haven't seen the front yet, so this is gonna be new for you. I'll hold it when you do that. Wow. Okay. Look at that. All right, now we're gonna switch. Now Amanda, you go. Don't look yet. Okay, now look.
Oh my gosh, that is really cool.
Do you hate it? Do you hate it as much as you thought you would?
I never said I would hate it.
I'm just kidding. What do you think?
It's really cool. I'm excited to get it up there.
So Amanda, why don't you explain, being a big Harry Potter fan, what this says?
I don't know. All
What?
I see is Erised. We've got to look into this.
Amanda, I'm sure somebody is going to comment and tell us exactly what that says. And whoever you are, yeah. And meanwhile, behind the mirror, Desmond has managed to do exactly what I didn't want to do. Turn this room into, oh my gosh, look who's doing the couch. Desmond, stop! Oh my gosh, look at that. You're done. You're done. Look at you. Look what you did, you little menace. All right. Look what you've done, you little. Oh, you okay? Here it goes. Stand back. Huh. It's definitely tall enough, but.
So you guys, that's 5 feet tall. It's really hard to find something that's big enough for this space. So you saw me holding it. It's like almost as tall as I am, but you get it up there and it looks kind of small. But it also, it kind of caters well to having the little vignettes on either side of it. So I really like it.
Yeah, the problem isn't the height, it's the width.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, you guys always give great advice too, so let us know what you think about this situation. Not so much this situation, but this situation. Right here, here. Okay, I'm done. You get the point.
Welcome home from school! Do you guys want to see our Harry Potter mirror? I put it up, and Desmond made a huge mess in here, so there's styrofoam everywhere.
Why did you change it?
You don't like it? You guys, it's the mirror of Erised. What do you think? Oh, because you helped me make the other one, huh?
Why did you change it?
You don't like this one? It's magical. I have to show you. It does something really cool. Emmeline's not happy about it. I told you we were getting another one.
No, you didn't.
Just show me how excited you are to see the magical. You're skeptical. I'll show you. This is the magic mirror of Erised. So when you look into it, you'll see what you most desire.
Do you remember this from Harry Potter?
So look in there.
Look. What do you see, Emmy?
Nothing.
You desire nothing?
I can't see.
You can't see your head?
Nope.
You can't see Okay, it doesn't work. We're sending it back. Oh my gosh. Okay, ready?
All right, Hudson.
I can't see myself.
I can't take you to the mirror to cover my eyes.
What do you most desire?
I literally see myself.
You literally do?
That's weird. He literally saw himself.
Okay, Desi.
He's got himself a poopy diaper, so we're just gonna improvise this way. What do you see? Okay, he doesn't see anything. Okay.
This mirror was such a ripoff. All right, it's kind of fun that this got here the same day as the mirror. Oh yeah, okay, this is what I thought it was. So I have been in the market for Harry Potter books because, funny enough, I haven't actually read the Harry Potter books since I was in high school. Went to college and grad school for English literature, so I don't know, you kind of like get into all the classic literature. I'm using quotation marks for some reason. We don't have the books, okay? But then I heard about this brand new illustrated version by Mina Lima. It's the first book, and I'm so excited to read it to my kids. Hopefully they have the attention span for it. I know Emmy will, but I'm not sure about Hudson. It's supposed to be interactive, so let me show you. This like just came out today. I'm stoked. So I was just thumbing through this really quickly. This is like the most beautiful book we own. And I am shocked that they offer it at a $20 price point. Like, I don't get it. I've never seen a book this beautiful, and I'm not even exaggerating. I'm like thrilled to death that we didn't buy the books until now. So if you are a Harry Potter fan, like, run, don't walk. I'll show you. Okay, so obviously Scholastic Book did not pay us or anything like that, but just wanted to show you this book because I was just thrilled when I saw it.
And you are a book nerd.
It's true.
I mean, obviously.
It's true. A loud, proud book nerd. If you guys want to add this to your book collection, we did add the link in the description. I love it. I think it's breathtaking.
So thanks for joining us for another Harry Potter themed video. So fun getting this mirror and this beautiful new book, and we're gearing up for all of our Christmas Harry Potter content, so stay tuned for that. Hope you guys are staying safe out there. We'll see you on the next video.